Pakistan's traditional repairmen are so skilled. They believe they can fix anything, from an aircraft carrier to a headlight. The owner took this damaged headlight to a local dealer, but the shop only replaces parts, not repairs them, resulting in a very high replacement cost. The owner decisively chose this headlight repair shop in Pakistan. The technician offered a seamless fix for only 2,000 rupees, with a 3-year warranty and same-day installation. This damaged headlight cover is the technician's first repair of the day. Because factory headlights are sealed with heavy adhesive for waterproofing, the technician first heats the sealant using a heat gun. Once softened, he carefully pried a gap with a screwdriver, then removed the entire light. The reflector bowl's old coating had deteriorated, flaking off with a light touch to reveal mottled marks. The technician wasn't discouraged by the damaged cover. He began carefully cleaning it with soapy water, removing the dirt and grease. Alkaline soapy water is safe for the plastic, helping the glue create a better bond. After cleaning, he wiped the headlight cover completely dry, preparing for the next step of the repair. With no soldering iron, he bent a screwdriver to hot-cut a neat, square outline on the damaged surface. He heated a screwdriver, and like using a soldering iron, cut out a square shape. After cutting the opening, he carefully filed the edges smooth, drawing on his years of repair experience. He precisely controlled the force and degree of the filing. Next, the technician found a scrap piece of the same material to use as a patch, applying super glue to secure it. After the glue dried completely, he flipped the headlight over with a small knife. He then cut a shape to match the damaged area. Next, he used a grinder to smooth down the excess material, ultimately creating a perfectly fitting plastic patch. Then, he fitted the plastic piece into place and secured it with glue. He then used a file to level the surface, making the seam flat and smooth. Treating yellowed headlights is a key step in the restoration. The technician uses a blade to scrape the entire oxidized layer from the surface. Next, he repeatedly sanded the headlight cover with a grinder until the surface became smooth and clear. Finally, the technician started repairing the headlight reflector bowl. He wiped the housing's interior spots. The plating was peeling so badly it couldn't reflect light, but the technician had a solution, spraying on an adhesion promoter. Then he took out a special paper and proceeded to cut, patch, and press it into place. This paper is antioxidant and corrosion resistant, perfect for headlight bowl repair. Once the headlight reflector bowl repair is complete, it can be attached to the cover. Before installation, he uses a heat gun to soften the sealant, then attaches the cover. To ensure a stronger bond, he clamped the edges of the headlight cover in place, and then heated it again with the heat gun. Finally, he sanded and polished the surface of the headlight again, making it look completely new. This headlight has been repaired to look brand new. You can't even tell it was damaged. The master's amazing skills not only revived this headlight, but also showed us this Pakistani craftsman's incredible talent.